Alright, take two. I mean, that's kind of hard for me to answer. I never really knew my grandfather. He passed away when I was like 6, so I mean, the only memories I have of him were like during holidays. He'd always play that game. You know, it's like, oh, I got your nose. Oh, look at it, it's your nose. Even though it doesn't look like a nose, it's like, oh man, he'd always be doing that to me. He would never go for my nose though. He'd always, you know, just hold me down and. Oh God. That's very interesting. Is that the kind of relationship you and your father have? Well, actually, you know, me and my father, we have a good relationship. Don't talk to him much now. You know, I moved away and started my own family. But I mean, he was a good dad. I can't complain. You know, he'd always stay home and play hide and seek with me. You know, I'd always have to go find him. Even when I stopped looking, he would always jump out. You know, scare me. Ah, you found me! And he'd hold me down and. God. Wow, that's very intense. Do you share a relationship like that with your son? No. Me and my son, you know, we get along a lot. Pretty proud of him, actually. You know, just got into football. Yeah, he, you know, tackle football, none of that sissy stuff, right? None of those flags. Oh man, actually, he's kind of like surpassing his old man. You know, the other day we were at behind the yard in the backyard, and I'm like, oh, you know, take it easy on your old man. You know, I'm getting old, and you know that didn't stop him. It just tackled me, held me down, and. Well, that's terrifying. No wonder why you're talking to yourself. What you've been through would give anybody split personality disorder. What? And that is time. We'll pick up again next week.